Hello guys, thanks for joining me for market analysis using order flow and market profile. So let's start with Nifty first. I hope you have gone through my yesterday's video. Yesterday, if you have gone through, I was speaking about there is a failed auction yesterday at the lows and the prices have broken the IB high, and once the IB high has broken, it will go for 100% range extension, which is around 24,600, and 200% range extension will be there, which will be around 24,800 levels. That is what yesterday I said. Along with that, I was also pointing for any kind of further up move, 100% range extension or 200% range extension, it needs to go above these 24,550 levels, because this is where strong selling tail is there and strong sellers have multiple times they crushed the Nifty downside. So what happened today, the high itself is 24,520 levels. This whatever the selling tail was there on last Wednesday, it acted as a very good resistance, and all the way prices came down, breaking the day's low. Now for tomorrow, what you should be looking, as I was pointing out, the low itself is a weak low. There is a possibility tomorrow, if prices opens inside yesterday's value area, Tuesday value area, and sustains for let's say 30 minutes, a good possibility of value area low 24,200 and then 24,150, which is a POC, and you will also see 24,070 levels, which is the value area low of last Friday. Now the thing, whatever the up move, whatever is there, it's because we have coming Deepavali on Friday, so it's a holiday. The extra theta will be there for these big players. So what they do with that extra theta, they'll try to move the markets in their favor. So this is with Nifty, guys. Let's come back to Bank Nifty. Today the prices have opened below the closing price, and immediately in the first 30 minutes itself, it closed inside the yesterday's value area and all the way below the single print, which I was pointing out. So once this single print is cleared, ideally it should go to this other single print. But what happened, there was a failed auction. So there was a failed auction in third candle, and if you look at the prices itself has closed above the volume clusters around these levels. There is a 1k passive buyer, 984 strong imbalance is there from passive buying, and this all indicates that the possibility of further prices breaking downside will be less likely. And because of this failed auction, there was a strong pullback, and then again the prices came down. If today the day's high would have been broken, we would have seen another 300 to 500 point move, but that has not happened because the volume clusters at yesterday's highs around 52,200 levels, there are good amount of volumes. They acted as a good resistance. Again, once the prices sustains inside IB for 2 to 3 hours, it's very rare prices escaping those levels. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, so we'll be going into next month series, which is November. If November futures opens somewhere around 52,000 levels, then there is a good possibility it will all the way come down to to this close, because this unfinished business is very strong. So if at all, let's say suppose tomorrow, if there is going to be a gap down above this single print 51,630 levels, then there could be a up move. So look for a breakout of 15 minutes or 30 minutes upside and try to trade towards the POC, which is at 51,940 levels. So suppose, let's say if at all Bank Nifty gets accepted on 15 minutes below 51,530 levels, then you will see 51,340 levels. So this whatever the single print at 51,600 has formed, that is going to be deciding factor for tomorrow. And for now it looks like, because the IB low has been broken, it's a bearish market, but things might change. There could be a gap down and there could be a straight up move all the way up to today's high, and yesterday's high also is very much possible. If at all, suppose let's say if there is going to be a huge gap up in November futures above 52,400 levels, and if there is a strength in the first 30 minutes, which will be indicated in delta, and a clean candle is going to be there in the first 30 minutes, then we might see this poor high and this high also 53,066 levels, which is again a poor high. So whatever the down move it has seen today, Bank Nifty, it is nothing more than a pullback which was supposed to happen yesterday, and yesterday I was also pointing out this. There is a good possibility prices might come down into the range, and it happened today itself. If you are looking for live market updates, you can click on the Telegram link which I am attaching in the description, or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.